First, you have to open this link in your web browser, and you will be navigate into the registration page. To this I am using a temp mail. You can use your original one. Then like this, create your account successfully. After that, verify your email. Great, now you have created your account. From the beginning you are in the test mode. Now you have to create your business profile. Okay, now you have to fill these data with your actual data. Now I am not going to fill all of these because I don't have data. But you have to fill them and be sure in the production quality. Now after this, here is the steps to get the API keys. First, you have to navigate into the API section. I will include this link in the description section also. From there you can get the stripe_publishable_ key and the stripe_secret_ key. Okay, now we have to get the stripe_webhook_secret. As we in the production level, we have to create an endpoint to this. This link also providing in the description. Add these two of events before the create this endpoint. Then click on continue. Now you have to add the endpoint URL. Currently, this is the domain I have set up. As the endpoint URL, you have to place it and change the path like this. You can replace your domain with this structure. Now click on Create Destination. Here is your endpoint is created. Now you have to get the webhook secret from this. Here is the all API keys we want. To receive actual payments you must in the production mode.